resort to eh. Golf course yata yan eh, sa tingin ko eh. Private beach. Ganda ng bahay oh. Okay, it's now Ismael doing the driving jet boat. Yan. Palyado. Ayan. Ganda na, wala na ano, no? Pwede na mag-helicopter ngayon sana. Ngayon, asa where's my helicopter? My helicopter is in the other boat, the rubber boat. Sayang. Ganda sana ngayon, no? Pwede, oh. Ngayon, oh. Ano sila? Kaya sa pinuntahan namin. Ha? Balik ka sa pinuntahan namin. Gano'n kalayo? Oo, hindi man ito malayo. Malayo. Ganda, oh. Sarap. Walang araw. Ayun! Ayun! Oh, yan. Okay, isa na. Dali, naririnig ka ba nito? Gusto mo putasan ko? Hindi, huwag mo putasan. February 13, year 2008. Oh. Ready? Gumagana yung glow plug ko. Hindi gumagana yung glow plug ko. Bakit? Ako kung nabasa sa tubig ko. Gumagana. Anong lugar to? San Diego. Saan yung ano, yung nasugbo na ano? Ayan, saan? Karugtong niya. Ito. Yung munting buhangin, nasaan yan? Ayun, doon sa kabila ng... Yan, sa kabilang kubda. Wala akong igniter. Hindi maya... bakit? Yung wire niyan? Yung onboard igniter ko, hindi gumana eh. Bakit? Yung electronic? Oo. Nabasa? Nabasa? Rolling. Rolling. Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, it's January 13, year 2008. Already 6:10 p.m. Too bad, my onboard igniter got damaged. Onboard igniter. So we just get a battery from a few flashlight, from a jet flashlight, and able to start the helicopter. But too bad.
Too bad, wala siyang ano, idling
But too
speed.
bad, when I put this helicopter into the water, the blade, there's no way of controlling it, so the blade keeps spinning and hit the boat side and damage my boat and damage my my blade. Look. And damage my blade.
And the speedboat.
And put a little strut on Jeff speedboat. Here, hit on this side. Sayang. Grabe. Di bale, it's repairable. Only the blade is damaged. Next time, we
Sayang.
should have started here and flight here and hover it in the water. Di ba? Straight na. Eh, we have one more problem. There's a problem with the jet ski battery. So we're still finding a way to install a jumper. Maybe
Jump
we can
na yan.
jumper this boat battery to the jet ski battery. Okay. Bad experience.
You learn.
Yeah, next time bring my own igniter.
You learn.
Buti na lang, oh. It works.
And you put idling speed to your
Yeah,
helicopter.
there's a problem with my clutch. It's keep on sticking. Okay, too bad. Next time.
Okay.
Just bring igniter.
Okay.
Okay, bye.